Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Dilnaz Beg.
Fine. How may I address you?
You may address me by my first name, Dilnaz.
Okay. Where from are you?
I'm from small village Shutrana under district Patiala and it is in the northern part of India.
Fine. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure, sir. Here it is.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you work or study?
I do not work. I am a student. I have recently completed my senior secondary through CBSE.
Fine. Let's talk about the task one. It's called the introductory pattern.
Okay.
So let's talk about the colors. What color do you like?
Well, all the colors are very nice. However, I like black color. It is very classy. Apart from this, it is different from every color.
Fine. What is the most popular color in your country?
Well, India is a diverse country. Every people have different preferences. So people like distinct colors. Mostly men like dark colors and women like light colors in my country.
Fine. Do you love to wear bright color or dark?
Well, it totally depends over the situation and occasion. Usually whenever I go to my institution, I wear light colors. However, whenever I visit any function or a wedding, I wear bright colors.
Did color matter when you were a child?
Definitely, when I was child, I still remember pink was my favorite color. I used to have everything which was of pink color. I had pink bag, tiffin, everything was of pink color.
Fine. Do you think that there is a difference between the choice of men and women on color?
Definitely, as I have mentioned earlier, there is a lot of disparity among their preferences. As men like bright colors, from which they like black color as it is royal and classy. Apart from this, women also like bright colors, but they also prefer light colors.
So that's fine. You spoke very well. This is the end of task one.
Okay.
We are going to talk about task two. It's called cue card. I'll give you one cue card and you'll have to prepare within 1 minute, and till 2 minutes you'll have to speak, or in between I can stop you. So very fine. Here is your cue card, or you may use this pencil, please. Fine. I have new. Okay, so please start your topic.
Prices are very important in this cutting edge era as these boost the confidence of the person. I have got plethora of prizes in my life, either it could be for speeches or it could be for debate. Here I would like to mention about one prize which I won in my senior secondary last year. Actually, it was an academic prize and I was an average student in my studies, so it was very challenging for me to win an academic prize. Well, at that year, I was getting a scholarship if I could get top the class. Moreover, I was accused by one of my friend who was the topper of the class, and she was very arrogant of her studies as she was very good in that. So it really hurt me as I also wanted to be top the class. So I just started my practice and I practiced for my exams for 1 month. And I really struggled hard for that, as I have mentioned that I was an average student. So I missed a lot of parties and functions, and after 1 month my result came and my hard work bear the fruit. I was very happy. I felt over the moon. I got the first position in whole school, and it was quite surprising for me as for a student like me who is not well in studies, getting a first position is really hard. So my parents and teachers were appreciating me and they were also really surprised. Apart from this, when my parents saw me on the stage and getting the prize, they were also very proud at me. And moreover, I think I won the scholarship and that year, and I studied free in that year. It was really helpful for my mother and dad. Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. So let's talk about task 3, the follow-up questions. What kind of the prizes do students get?
Prizes are very important for the overall development of the children. They get distinct kind of prizes in their school. Firstly, they get prizes related to their academic tasks. Apart from this, they also get prizes related to the co-curricular activities such as dancing, music, etc. Apart from this, nowadays children are finding sports as a fascinating task, so they are also given prizes in that to boost their confidence.
Very fine. Why should people be awarded?
According to me, if the person is awarded, then the productivity of the person ultimately increases. If the person is not given any award for the task one has performed, so it would difficult for one to perform a task with more efficiency. According to me, there are a lot of people who just perform the task to get the prizes. It can also be seen in the schools where children want to become the topper of the class just to win the prizes.
Very fine. So what do you think, that there should be a same prize in academic or sports?
Definitely, both have the equal importance in this cutting edge era. If the academics are very essential for the children, so sports are also very important for them. If the children are getting good prizes in academics, then they will score good in academics. Moreover, the sports is also very essential for them, as many children are getting medals at the international level just for the sports. So both should be equal so that they can take both the tasks with the equal importance.
So thank you very much. This is the end of test.
Thank you.